How to fix community standards Facebook Messenger. So, when you open the Facebook Messenger app and receive a prompt stating that you can send messages for a specific numbers of days due to a violation of Facebook community standards. So, one quick way in order to fix this issue is by going to your web browser. So, you can simply open any browser that might be Chrome or Safari as per your choice. Once it opens, you need to tap on the web address bar and search for the Facebook Community Standard. And once you open it, you need to select the first link where you will see the Facebook Community Standards. You simply need to open it and familiarize with them. You can scroll all the way down and search for the community guidelines or the standards of Facebook Messenger. So you need to review it in order to determine if you haven't yet or if you have violated any rules on the Facebook Messenger, and which might be the problem or the which might be the region for your um, Facebook Messenger prompt stating that you can send messages for specific numbers of days. So if you have violated any rules, then the Facebook Messenger might ban your account, and you should have or you should wait for a few days in order to unban your account. But if you haven't violated any kind of standards on Facebook Messenger, standards or Facebook community standards, then you need to submit a report stating your issue. For that, you need to go ahead and open the Messenger application. Once you open, you need to select the three line icon at the top left corner and select the year icon at the top right corner. Once you are here, you need to scroll all the way down and select help, or you need to select the report technical problem option, and here you need to select report anyway. You need to toggle off seek phone to report a problem and select report anyway and select include. Wait until Messenger creates report, and here you can briefly explain what actually happened and what we need to do to reproduce the problem. So here you can easily state that you haven't violated any kind of community standards of Facebook Messenger, and you need help from the Facebook Messenger team. You can also attach the attachment here, and you can also select the problem related to calls or chats and any other and tap on the send button at the top right corner. And you have to wait for Facebook to take action and hopefully resolve your issue within a few business days. So that is how we fix community standards Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.